If you are looking for a prompt engineering course on Coursera, this review will help you choose the best option and understand if it is actually worth your time. A good prompt engineering course on Coursera can teach you one of the most in-demand AI skills right now. Quick tip before we start. If you want access to multiple prompt engineering courses, there is a link in the description that can give you a discount on Coursera Plus, which includes many of these programs. Let's break down the top options. First is Generative AI, Prompt Engineering Basics. This is one of the best beginner-friendly courses with a solid rating around 4.7. It focuses on the fundamentals like prompt structure, prompt patterns, and how to get better outputs from tools like ChatGPT. If you are completely new, this is a strong starting point. Second is Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT. This course is more in-depth and has a strong rating around 4.8. It goes beyond basics and teaches you how to design effective prompts for real-world use cases, including business, automation, and creative tasks. This is a great next step after learning the fundamentals. Third is Google Prompting Essentials. This is a short but highly practical program focused on real-world applications like productivity, communication, and problem-solving using AI. It also has a strong rating around 4.8. This one stands out because it is very practical and focused on everyday use. So, is a prompt engineering course on Coursera worth it? Yes, if you want to learn how to actually use AI tools effectively and improve your results. No, if you expect it to replace deeper AI or programming knowledge. Prompt engineering is a skill that gives you immediate results, but it becomes even more powerful when combined with broader AI knowledge. Here's the smart strategy. Start with a beginner course like IBM's Prompt Engineering Basics. Move to a more detailed course like Vanderbilt's program, then apply those skills in real projects. And since these are multiple courses, many learners use Coursera Plus to access everything under one subscription instead of paying separately. If you want to explore these courses or check if a discount is available, use the link in the description to get started with Coursera Plus.